spring flower spectacle, exploring West Coast National Park. Welcome to the breathtaking beauty of the West Coast National Park, where nature puts a spectacular spring flower show like no other. Join us as we wander through the fields adorned with kaleidoscope of wildflowers, painting the landscape with hues of pink, purple, and yellow. The park's diverse floral display is a sight to behold, drawing nature enthusiasts far and wide. From dainty daisies to delicate orchids, the park is home to a rich tapestry of floral treasures. Each bloom tells a story of resilience and beauty, thriving in the coastal breeze. Families gather to bask in the splendor of nature, picnicking amidst the flower-covered hills and relishing in the simple joys of life. The park provides the perfect background for unforgettable moments and cherished memories. As the sun sets over the West Coast National Park, the beauty of the spring flower spectacle leaves an indelible impression on all those who witness it. Do remember to subscribe for more nature adventures. I'm Bianca. See you soon.